In the last video, we have tried to analyze if a help desk problem is related to hardware or software problems. But we have seen that the model will always give an answer, even if I talk about my terrible hairstyle, which has nothing to do with hardware or software problems. So let's see if we can do something about that. Well, we can toggle on this option, require specific output format. And as soon as we do that, you see this is a model node here. And now let's toggle on the switch. And this time we also have an output parser node here. We want to have a structured output in JSON. While JSON is not really easy to read for humans, at least at the first time you see it, it's a good way to get something that we can use later on. In this case, it's for a state and cities in that state, but let's start something simple here. We say we want a category, and the category can be hardware, software, or unrelated. That should do the trick. So far, unrelated is not mentioned in our prompt, but let's see what it does. We just repeat the last request, my hairstyle is terrible, and the workflow is executed, and it still says this is a software problem. So let's adjust the prompt. If the request is not related to hardware or software, the output is unrelated. Let's save this and we will retry. And this time it says problem is unrelated. We can also see that down here. I have a dog, that is unrelated. I can't log in, that is a software problem. My laptop doesn't start, this is also a hardware problem. Peter Pan can fly, and this is unrelated. And that's how we create a structured output from an unstructured user input to find out if we have a hardware, a software, or an unrelated request.